Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series, and I hope you guys are studying really well and following all our lectures and preparing well. And as you know, we are coming up with 5 MCQs every day so that you maintain that consistency in your examination and fill the gaps, where they are, so that you ace this examination this time. This is me Divya, and today I'm bringing environment MCQs. And as you know, Vysh IAS team is putting a lot of efforts, so that you prepare really well for this examination this time. And to subscribe this channel if you haven't yet, also watch the videos and get benefited by it, and do not ignore the foundational videos, right, which are very crucial for your preparation. Now let us start with the first MCQ. It is, consider the following statements regarding climate action tracker, right? So one of the very important questions, I would say. So let's see what are the statements. First of all, CAT, that is Climate Action Tracker. It tracks the effect of climate policies and action on emissions. Second one, CAT tracks the impact of pledges, targets and NDCs on national emissions over the time period of to 2030 and where possible beyond. Also, CAT tracks, third statement is CAT tracks the comparability of effort against countries, fair share and modeled domestic pathways. So, which of the statements are correct? You have to answer that, right? So, pause the video, go through the question again, and give the right answer. And do comment your marks, how well you are faring. Now, let us see. So, the answer is D actually. It is all of the above, right? And now let us see. So this CAT, climate action, right, climate action tracker, it covers all the biggest emitters. So it is about the emission, this you have to remember. So it is about the emission, it to keep tracks of the emissions. So, and a respective sample of smaller emitters covering 85% of the global emissions, right? Now this national actions which they track are effect of the climate policies and action on emissions, then impact of the pledges, targets and NDCs, right, on national emissions, and also the comparability of the efforts against the country's fair share and model domestic pathways, right? You can read the whole explanation if you want, and which is very important. And also please also google about these questions, because these questions, something related to these have been asked. So it is, there's great probability you can expect such related questions. So please google whichever question we give, google a bit about it and read further about it, at least something more. Now let us start with the second MCQ. So consider the following statement regarding EP100. So EP100 is committed to measuring and reporting energy efficiency improvements. Second statement says business entities cannot become members of EP100. EP100 is a corporate commitment platform through which companies pledge to improve their energy productivity by deploying energy efficient technologies and practices. Right? So your options are A, B, C, D. A says 1 and 2 only, B says 1 and 3 only, C says 2 and 3 only, and D says 2 only. Right? Please go ahead, guys. Um, Go ahead and answer this question. So the is one more thing I have to point it out here. See, second and the third statement are contradictory, right? The second statement says business entities cannot become the members of EP100. Third says it is a corporate commitment platform where companies pledge. So you can right away eliminate two. There can't be any possibility that second and third together can be right. Either two has to be right, either three has to be right. Say right. So this is the common sense. Anyone can figure it out. So this is how you eliminate also. So, and elimination techniques also sir have fantastically he has solved so many questions, question papers, and have shown how elimination works, right? So that's how also you can learn elimination technique, which is very crucial to clear the cutoff. So now let us see the answer. Answer B it is, right? Answer B is 1 and 3 only. So EP100, it is a global initiative. It is led by a international non-profit climate group. This is very important, right? Not by UN or other body. It is a non-profit climate group. it brings together 120 smart business companies, right? Not nations, not countries. 120 business committee businesses, right? I mean business entities. They are committed to measuring and reporting on energy efficiency improvements which they have made, right? And it is a corporate committee platform through which companies pledge that companies take pledge that they will improve their energy productivity by deploying energy efficient technologies. Now let us move ahead to the third MCQ. So Indian nightjar, okay, its name is also given scientific name Capri mulgus asiaticus. It is characterized as least concern under IUCN conservation status. What it is actually? Indian nightjar, right? What kind of species it is? Whether it is a fish, bird, deer, or bovine. So please guys, very easy question I think. So let us see the answer. So it is B. So Indian nightjar. It is actually it is a very small it is small nightjar which is the resident breeder in open lands across South Asia and Southeast Asia. Class is aves. Aves means birds, right? So it's a bird. Okay, now fourth MCQ. So direct transplantation, microfragmentation, substratum enhancement with electricity are talked about in which of the following situations, right? So what are these concerned? I mean, regarding what are we talking about here? So options are restoration of damaged coral reefs, development of building materials using plant residue, identification of areas, exploration or extraction of the shale gas, or providing salt licks for wild animals in forest protected areas. So pause the videos and answer guys. Okay. So let us see the answer now. Answer is A. These are the methods through which we can restore the damaged coral reefs. And there are so many other methods as well, like direct transplantation, coral gardening, microfragmentation, genetic diversity in asexual propagation, larval enhancement, artificial reefs, substratum stabilization, substratum enhancement with electricity. And some of these are mentioned here in the question. Right, guys? So coral reefs are actually very one of the favorite part of UPSC. So please be very thorough with that part. Now the fifth MCQ. So Asita East Biodiversity Park, right? It is a part of which of the following riverfront development project, right? So now options are Yamuna, Ganga, Bias, or Satluj. Okay. Now pause the video and answer the question. Let's see the answer now. Answer is A. Asita Biodiversity Park. It is built by the DDA Delhi Development Authority as part of Yamuna Biodiversity Park. Okay, so it is a part of Yamuna rehabilitation. Yamuna Riverfront redevelopment project. So it lies on the eastern bank of the river Yamuna. So it is among the network of biodiversity parks in Delhi. So with this we have completed our 5 MCQs of today, and we'll come to tomorrow again with another set of MCQs of another subject with another faculty. So till then, please guys, study hard and like these videos and share these videos as much as you can. Okay, and really study well. Bye.